Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing this fantastic magnetic car phone holder, and let me tell you, it's a total game changer for your daily commute. If you're tired of your phone sliding around or blocking your view while driving, this is exactly what you need. Let me show you why I'm impressed. First, the magnetic design is incredibly strong. It uses premium neodymium magnets that securely grip your phone without any wobbling or movement, even on bumpy roads. Installation is ridiculously easy. Just attach the metal plate to the back of your phone or phone case, and you're done. No adhesive damage, no permanent marks. The adjustable arm lets you position your phone exactly where you want it for optimal viewing. Whether you're using GPS navigation, taking calls, or listening to music, everything is within perfect eye line. The dashboard mounting is rock solid. It grips firmly to your windshield with a powerful suction cup, and it stays put through rough terrain. The 360-degree rotation is fantastic. You can switch between portrait and landscape modes instantly, which is super helpful when using navigation apps. Build quality is outstanding. It's made with durable materials that feel premium and will last for years. The design is sleek and minimalist, so it looks great in any car interior. Installation takes literally 2 minutes, and removal is equally simple when needed. This magnetic phone holder has genuinely improved my driving experience. It keeps my phone accessible, safe, and secure. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable car phone mount, I highly recommend this one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.